So hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to show you how to implement preload function in your website. So just you need a zip like that, so anywhere you can download from in Google. That's look, it's so good. So I am using this zip in this preloading method in this website. So now this is the file structure, simple file structure for it's for HTML, it's for JavaScript, it's for CSS. And in this HTML folder, just I'm using a boilerplate, and this is the format of a HTML format. And just change this title. That's it would be website preview. Yeah, preload. This is enough. And I'm going to tell a method that's called loading method. So that's a keyword that's name on load. That's, and here it's a place that you have to use a function. That's it. Okay, so suppose the function name is loading. So loading, and don't forget to give the braces. And also this body tag have a id, and id name is body id. Okay, and in this body and under this body tag there will be a div, that's id will be preload. This is the that's I would preload, and that is another div, and another div that's id is content. Mainly I am trying to understand, this is the preload for your website, and this is your website whole content. Okay, and in this div tag, suppose a h1 tag, that's a message that welcome to our website, welcome to our website. Okay, and suppose it's have also a paragraph. I'm using a lorem method to generate 30 words. Lorem 30, that's automatically generate 30. Okay, and after that it is just for showing the whole content of your website, and this is the main for free loading method. Okay, so first I am giving some style on the body tag. So using this id, go to style.css. Okay, I just forget to add the link of css and javascript. So link.css, that is style.css, that's my folder name is same, and that is another to have to add the javascript. So script.src, its name is script.js. Okay, done. And just copy the id and hatch id. It is the body tag, just I am target the body tag. So that body tag will be a flex, so display will be a flex, and the whole content will be center. So justify content is center, and also align the all item center. Okay, done. Okay, and the another, that is preloading div, that's I'm giving some style of this div. So copy that and just hatch and preload method. First is that's preload, I'm targeting this div by the id of preload. Okay, I think it is so simple. That's this div will be a fixed on your website preview, like a page, just holding a content, this zip. So you have to download as your choice that you want to implement at your website. So I'm using this GIF on this preload deep tag. Okay, how to implement? As we are using the background. Okay, so the position will be fixed. Okay, position will be fixed, sorry, fixed, and top to 0 pixel. Okay, and its height will be, now which will be 100 vh, that is a whole width of your website, of your screen, and height will be 100 vw. Sorry, it is vw for width, and it is 100 vh. Okay, and this div tag has a background, that's color will be white, because my GIF color is also white, so it is matching and looks so better. So I am using the URL method, oh, it is not background repeat, it is background and URL method. And in this URL method we are using this zip, so slash I have zip in the folder of img, so select this zip, and also it can be repeat on your website, so just write no repeat and take it in the center. Okay, take it in the center. So now looks the preview of your website. So now I'm using the Firefox. Okay, that is Firefox preview. So now just reload. Sorry, this is your whole website. Okay, this is a preview of your website. So now I'm going to add the main script, that is JavaScript. Just add the function, will, that's function name that was loading. So copy this and make a function with the same name that I read on the method of onload, that is first take the preload div by the constant of anything, that's the name you will be given. So I think that name is load, that is a variable of JavaScript, and we're using the DOM method, document.getElement by id, and id will, and my id was preload, sorry, id was preload. Let's copy it and paste. Okay, so now I am getting the preload div as a variable of load, so I'm using the load dot style. I'm going to add a style or the load div, that is when the whole content of your website is loaded, then its display will be none. Display will be none. Okay, I think you understand. And for confirmation, we are using a console to preview and this web view, that's our functions completely run or not. So console.log, it's a message just, okay, successfully loaded. Okay, almost done. Okay, our functionality is almost done. When you preview that, it is loaded. So it's a simple element of your website. That's just a content. It's a constant for the content for my website. So it's take so small time that you do not understand. So I am using a heavy link from Amazon. So I'm using a Amazon link. Okay, wait, that will be so heavy link. It's so when um, your website will be a heavy website, so it's takes some times to preview the whole um, content of your website. So we're using a link that is showing the preview of your website. So just save that, and that preview will be showing. So its icon will be its icon is so big. So now change the background size. This property is coming, so background size will be only 100 pixel. Okay, that's it is enough for. Okay, so I think you will understand this tutorial for your website. And it will be not complicated. So you can change this background, like I think if you like black, it will be black. And you changing by this background, you can realize the perfect center of this preview. So it is not looking so good, so I'm using change it to white. So I think you understand in this website. So when it's loaded, you can preview these items. This is contents. Welcome to our website. So it takes too time because this Amazon ads is too heavy link, so it takes too time. Finally it's loaded good. So I'm using this place direction to column to set all the items by arranging in columns. Okay, so okay, we're meeting in next video. So